Hey everybody, this is Steve with Brick Travel Adventures. I just wanted to do a short video for you guys showing you the first time setup of a Eskimo 450XD ice fishing shelter. It's about 75 square foot inside, and I set up a Woodlander medium-sized stove from Winterwell with the 2.5 inch stove oven. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for tuning in. I did a lot of research on the different tents available. I decided on getting a pop-up ice fishing shelter. I almost bought a canvas tent. I like the shape of it for aerodynamics, but it had no insulation. And as a photographer, I wanted more views, easy views around the perimeter of the shelter. So the canvas tents just didn't do that job very well, and they take about 20 minutes to set up. I personally wanted something that would go up as fast as possible, so the ice fishing pop-up shelter goes up in about 1 minute, maybe 2. You're ready for setting up the stove and getting warm as fast as possible in cold weather. You can also use the insulated ice fishing shelter for the summer if you need to air condition it at a campsite. That's another plus. Insulated structure will keep the cold in, keep the heat in, goes up fast, it's aerodynamic. I feel like I made the right decision. It's a little bit smaller square footage, but it also weighs 25 pounds less than the canvas tent. I wouldn't want my structure to weigh any more than it does. It weighs about 50 pounds, has 75 square feet of floor space, and there's a lot of headroom in that floor space, which is a big improvement over, say, like a canvas bell tent. You might have more floor space, but you won't have a view, you won't have insulation. It takes 20 times longer to put up, and it's crazy heavy for similar usability. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, please like the video and subscribe to get my next post.